Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I want to give you some tips on finding drawings and plans and things for things you want to model in CAD programs like Blender or Plasticity or Fusion 360, any one of these CAD softwares and stuff like that. So if you want to find like pictures of, I don't know, Star Wars blasters or Battlestar Galactica, laser pistols and all stuff like that. This is one secret that I found, and it works really well to finding stuff like that to model. So let me show you what that is. Let's go on the internet here. Okay. Let's say like this Glock 19. Now, type in Glock 19 and added this word blueprint right behind it. So if you had just typed in Glock 19, for instance, and typed that in, then you'll get pictures of the Glock itself that you can use. But to get actual drawings and blueprints and stuff like that, just put that word blueprint in here, like that. Now you'll get all of this that you can model from, which makes it a lot easier to model this. Let's say you wanted to model an M16. Just come up here and change this to M16. And you get all these pictures, or you get more if you want. And you can put these pictures into your CAD program and model from there. And if you're into Star Wars and all that type of stuff, let's say I don't know what the blasters and things are called, but in Star Wars, I'll just type in Star Wars blaster. Okay, now we get these pictures that we can use, like the blaster here, a Briar blaster pistol, blueprint, all of these. So yeah, just putting that one word in there, blueprint, will save you countless of hours of looking for pictures and stuff to model from. And I don't know, let's Battlestar Galactica, take a look at that and see what we get there. Okay. And as you can see, we get these weapons that you can model from. And if you actually know the name of the weapon itself, then you can put the name of it, and then put blueprints right after that. And say Star Trek. Let's take a look at that. I believe they were called phasers. And as you can see, again, it pulls up all of this. Again, that one word, blueprint. So, like I said, when you're looking up weapons and stuff like that that you want to model in your CAD software, just put that word in there, blueprint. And same thing with airplanes and cars and etc. So let's say I want to model a Corvette. And it brings up the pictures that I need to do that. And let's say I want to model a Porsche. It brings up the blueprints for that too. So yeah. And if I wanted to model a F-16 per se. And it brings up all these pictures and things that I need. Or if I want to model the Enterprise. And it brings up the blueprints that I would need to model it. So yeah, but that's just one handy little tip and trick. Not a trick per se, just a word that I discovered. It's just blueprint. Just putting that one little word in there, blueprint, will save you countless of hours, looking for stuff. So that you want to model in your program. So yeah, so that's going to do it for this video. And I just want to give you guys that little simple hint, or not hint, but tip for when you're looking for pictures and stuff that you want to model stuff with. So that's going to do it for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.